Okay, everybody here.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning and welcome to Sagara Pottery. I'm Sigrid, I'm one of the workers here. This workshop was set up in 2000 by Archie Stapleton. He is a son of a missionary who grew up here in the 1960s. He saw the potential of the local clay and the local soil for pottery. That's why he set this up as an alternative livelihood for the community. Pottery has three kinds, may earthenware, stoneware, and porcelain. Earthenware is low-fat, that's the one they make in vegan, yung mga paso-paso, tsaka lutuan. Stoneware and porcelain are high-fired, we specialize in stoneware. We fire at 2,350 degrees. Around Sagada, we get the clay, test it at that temperature. If it's good, we get it in bulk, soak it in water, and then we sieve it until it goes through 40 mesh. When it goes through there, it's very watery. We have to drip dry for 3 to 4 months. We age it for at least 3 weeks before it becomes like this. Hindi pupulutin doon at pwede na dito. Kailangang itest at iproseso kasi hindi lahat ng lupa ay clay. Hindi lahat ng clay ay pwede. I'll show you the making of the pot with a demo fee that will be paid by Miss Joy. If somebody wants to try, it's paid individually at 100 per head. First, I have to sample it.